This is a cat level question, but a pure fundamentals question. A pure fundamental question. A pure fundamental question. What is this question? Question is like this. There is a number. Number has got x factors. X factors. I am squaring that number. N square. That has got y factors. That has got y factors. If I do x plus y, I got 34. Find the nature of n. Find the nature of n. Beautiful question, which is a very conceptual question. There is a number which has got x factors. If I square that number, that is n square, I got y factors. X plus y is 34. Find the nature of n. Listen carefully, sir. It's a beautiful question which makes you use the concept. X plus y equivalent to 34. 34 is an even number. 34 is an even number. N square is a perfect square. N square is a perfect square. If it is a perfect square, number of factors will be odd. That means y is an odd number. Something plus odd number is an even number. That something is an odd number. Odd plus odd is an even number. X is an odd number. X is the number of factors. If the number of factors are odd, then the number is a perfect square. Then the number is a perfect square. Very, very good question which makes you use the concept of a perfect square. Which makes you use the concept of a perfect square. Now see here. Again, I will repeat the question. Don't miss any of my sessions. If the class is at 6 o'clock, try to 6 at 6 o'clock. Because beginning of the class, if you miss it, next class, you will find it little difficult to comprehend. I will teach the way Rohit Sharma bats. Rohit Sharma starts his innings in a very slow pace. He will settle down. He will understand the pitch condition. He will understand the bowler psychology. He will understand the gaps. Then slowly he will move from a slow pace, turning into double hundreds. My teaching is similar to the way Rohit Sharma plays his innings. Start from basics, very conceptual, very basic, slowly, bite by bite, first bytes, then MB, then GB, then TB. Slowly I will put it into your subconscious mind. I hope it is clear. Very conceptual question. Very conceptual question. Most of the students thought that it is a difficult question. It is not a difficult question. It checks your understanding of the perfect square concept from the chapter factors and multiples. Question is, there is a natural number n. It has got x factors. Then there is a square of that number which has got y factors. X plus y is 34. X plus y is 34. 34 is an even number. N square is a perfect square. Perfect square got odd number of factors. So y is an odd number. Something plus odd is an even number. X should be an odd number. If x is odd, if the number of factors are odd, then the number is a perfect square. Yes, you can determine the value of x and y. I am going to explain that question also. For your information, if n is less than 100, the answers which might satisfy is 2 square into 3 square. Answer for this question is 2 square into 3 square. First class Kranti, number is given, we are finding factors. Session 3, factors are given, how to find out the number. How to find out the number. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if this question is clear to you. And everybody is clear with till now whatever you have understood it. X and B cannot be even. There is a catch in this question. The catch is it is n square. It is not a variable. It is a number of factors for n square. It is a number of factors for n square. N square is a perfect square. A perfect square number of factors will always be odd. Y value has to be odd. You are just using x plus y equivalent to 34. You are not understanding what is x and y. X and y are not the variables here. X and y are not variables here. X and y are the number of factors here. X and y are the number of factors here. Everybody kindly reply. Everybody kindly reply. Not a single doubt you should get in factors and multiples after my entire session on factors and multiples is over. What I observed in most of the YouTube videos is they will prepare 20 questions, they will solve it. I don't teach like this. Take a topic, start from basics, go to the highest level. Entire topic should be completed. I hope it is clear. Idea clear? N plus n square, x plus y is 34. Another question, please write down. N is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. Find the factors. Find the factors for n which are perfect cubes. Find the factors for n which are perfect cubes. Find the factors for n which are perfect cubes. Concept. Concept. If a number is a perfect cube, if a number is a perfect cube, if a number is a perfect cube, power can be either 0, power can be either 0 or power can be multiple of 3. Am I right? Power can be 0 or power can be a multiple of 3. Similar to perfect squares only. Power can be either 0 or a multiple of 3. So method 1. Method 1. Then method 2. Method 2. Any perfect cube, power will be 0 or power will be multiple of 3. So the factors which are perfect cubes is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 power 0, 2 power 3. 3 power 0, 5 power 0. 2 into 1 into 1. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. 2 into 1 into 1. Answer for this question is 2. Factors for n which are perfect cubes. Factors for n which are perfect cubes. What is method 2? Method 2 is similar to the previous question. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Please write down. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Why are we dividing the power by 3? Perfect cube means power should be multiple of 3. Power should be multiple of 3. Why are we adding 1? Because anything power 0, 1 is a perfect square, 1 is a perfect cube. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Divide the power by 3. So this will become 3 by 3, 1 plus 1. 2 by 3, 0 plus 1. 1 by 3, 0 plus 1. 2 into 1 into 1. Answer is 2. Perfect square means divide the power by 2 and add 1. Perfect cube means divide the power by 3 and add 1. Divide the power by 3 and add 1. Perfect square is divide the power by 2 and add 1. Perfect cube is divide the power by 3 and add 1. Fourth power is divide the power by 4 and add 1. Fifth power is divide the power by 5 and add 1. Divide the power by 5 and add 1. one or two examples to understand this concept clearly.